In today's fast-paced world, where health consciousness meets economic prudence, the quest for nutritious and budget-friendly meal options has become increasingly vital. Lunch, often squeezed between work deadlines or school pickups, presents a prime opportunity to refuel the body with essential nutrients without breaking the bank. This essay explores a variety of lunch ideas that marry nutritional value with ease of preparation and budget awareness. Chickpea salad sandwich. Nutritional highlights. Chickpeas, the star ingredient, are rich in plant-based protein and fiber, contributing to a feeling of fullness and aiding digestion. They are also packed with vitamins and minerals such as folate, iron, and manganese. Preparation and budget tips. Chickpea salad can be prepared in advance and stored in the fridge, allowing flavors to meld and simplifying hectic weekday mornings. Opting for dried chickpeas, soaked and cooked in bulk, can significantly reduce costs compared to canned varieties. Adding extras like chopped pickles or avocado can enhance flavor and nutritional content. Chicken salad sandwich. Nutritional highlights. Chicken breast provides lean protein, essential for muscle repair and growth, as well as selenium, a powerful antioxidant. Incorporating Greek yogurt instead of traditional mayonnaise adds probiotics and reduces saturated fat content. Preparation and budget tips. Utilizing leftover rotisserie chicken from a previous dinner reduces waste and saves time. Buying whole chickens and roasting them at home can be cost-effective, especially when purchasing in bulk or during sales. Experiment with herbs and spices to customize flavor without added calories. Lentils. Nutritional highlights. Lentils are a powerhouse of plant-based protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They're also rich in folate, iron, and potassium, crucial for heart health and overall well-being. Preparation and budget tips. Lentils cook relatively quickly and can be flavored in various ways, such as with Dijon mustard and parsley. Buying dried lentils in bulk is economical and allows for greater control over portion sizes. Incorporating lentils into soups or salads adds heartiness and nutrition. Burrito bowl. Nutritional highlights. Tofu sofritos or beans provide protein, while cilantro lime rice offers carbohydrates and flavor. Toppings like avocado and cheese contribute healthy fats and calcium, respectively. Preparation and budget tips. Batch cooking rice and beans in large quantities enables quick assembly of burrito bowls throughout the week. Experimenting with different cheese varieties or omitting them entirely can accommodate various dietary preferences and budgets. Adding salsa or fresh vegetables enhances flavor and nutrient density. Hummus wrap. Nutritional highlights. Hummus made from chickpeas and tahini offers protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Avocado, cucumber, tomato, and spinach provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Preparation and budget tips. Homemade hummus can be more cost-effective than store-bought versions, especially when tahini is substituted with sesame seeds and olive oil. Wraps made from whole grains enhance fiber content and nutritional value. Consider adding a variety of vegetables or lean proteins like grilled chicken for extra flavor and nutrition. Minestrone soup with bacon. Nutritional highlights. A medley of vegetables such as tomatoes, carrots, celery, and beans offers vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber. Bacon adds flavor and can be used sparingly to moderate sodium content. Preparation and budget tips. Making soup in bulk and freezing portions ensures a quick and nutritious meal on busy days. Using seasonal vegetables or those on sale reduces costs and enhances freshness. Consider substituting turkey bacon or omitting bacon altogether for a healthier alternative. Peanut butter. Nutritional highlights. Homemade peanut butter contains only roasted peanuts and sea salt, offering protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E. It is also a good source of magnesium and potassium. Preparation and budget tips. Buying peanuts in bulk and roasting them at home before blending ensures freshness and eliminates additives often found in commercial peanut butter. Enjoying peanut butter with whole grain bread or fruit adds fiber and sustained energy. Experiment with adding honey or cocoa powder for different flavor profiles. Quinoa salad. Quinoa provides complete protein and is gluten-free, making it suitable for a variety of dietary needs. It is also rich in antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol. Cooking quinoa in vegetable broth enhances flavor without adding significant cost. Including seasonal vegetables and herbs from local markets can be both economical and environmentally friendly. Adding nuts or seeds like almonds or sunflower seeds boosts texture and nutrition. Tuna fish sandwich. Canned tuna offers lean protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, important for bone health and immune function. Celery, red onion, and sweet pickle relish add crunch and flavor. Opting for sustainably caught tuna in water reduces environmental impact and potentially harmful additives. Serving tuna on whole grain toast or atop greens enhances fiber intake. Consider using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for added protein and fewer calories. Yogurt. Yogurt made at home with whole, 2% or skim milk provides probiotics, calcium, and vitamin D. These nutrients support gut health, bone density, and immune function. Homemade yogurt requires minimal equipment and allows for customization with fruits, honey, or granola. Using milk bought in larger containers or on sale reduces costs compared to individual servings. Experiment with different flavors like vanilla extract or cocoa powder for variety. In conclusion, crafting a nutritious and budget-friendly lunch doesn't have to be a daunting task. By focusing on wholesome ingredients like lean proteins, whole grains, and abundant vegetables, one can create meals that nourish the body and satisfy the palate without straining the wallet. Batch cooking, utilizing seasonal produce, and exploring homemade alternatives such as hummus or yogurt can further enhance nutritional value and economic feasibility. Ultimately, these lunch ideas exemplify how informed choices in meal planning can promote health, sustainability, and financial mindfulness in everyday eating habits. By investing time and effort in preparing these meals, individuals not only benefit their health, but also contribute positively to their overall well-being and financial stability. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Check the video description below for more budget-friendly lunch supplies.